Students, welcome to Excel Tuitions, and today we will solve some problems on surface area and volume, mathematics chapter for standard 10th. Before that, let us see the formulas for curved surface area, total surface area and volume for the different three-dimensional shapes. First is cylinder. So the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, where R is the radius of the curved surface and H is the height. To find out total surface area, we have to add total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus 2 pi R square. Here curved surface area is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square is equal to, take common 2 pi R into bracket H plus R. So to find out the total surface area of the cylinder, we have to use this formula 2 pi R into bracket H plus R. To find out the volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi R square H. Next is cone. L is equal to root of H square plus R square. Then curved surface area is equal to pi R L. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area pi R square. That is area of the circle. This is the radius and this is the height. Pi R L plus pi R square is equal to, take pi R common. So is equal to pi R into bracket L plus R. Volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into the volume of the cylinder. That is 1 upon 3 pi R square H. Next is sphere. R is the radius. So surface area is equal to 4 pi R square and volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi R cube. Same way hemisphere. Curved surface area is 2 pi R square and total surface area is curved surface area plus pi R square. After adding, we are getting here 3 pi R square. So the total surface area is equal to 3 pi R square. Next is volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi R cube. Next is cube. So the lateral surface area of the cube is 4a square. A is the side of the cube. For cube, all the sides are equal. Then the total surface area is equal to 6a square and volume is equal to a cube. Cuboid. Total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Lateral surface area is equal to 2H into bracket L plus B. Then 2 into L plus B into H is equal to perimeter into the height. So the lateral surface area we can find out by the formula 2 into L plus B into H. Volume of cuboid. It is L into B into H. It's the volume of the cuboid. Now let us solve some problems. Question number 1. Find the volume and the surface area of a toy. The shape of the toy is given here. The shape of cone on the upper side and hemisphere on the lower side. So volume of a toy is equal to volume of a cone plus volume of hemisphere. So 1/3 pi R square H, that is volume of cone, plus 2/3 pi R cube, that is volume of hemisphere. So 1/3 pi R square into H plus 2R will be the volume of the toy. Total surface area of a toy is equal to curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. So pi RL plus 2 pi R square is equal to, we took this pi R common outside, is equal to pi R into bracket L plus 2R. Question number 2. Find the volume of the capsule and the total surface area of the capsule. So the volume of the capsule is equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of the two hemisphere. Here the middle area is the shape of the cylinder and the two ends are hemisphere. So pi r square h plus 2 into 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So pi r square into bracket h plus 4 upon 3 into r will be the volume of the capsule. So the total surface area of the capsule is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of the two hemispheres. So 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square, because 2 hemisphere. 2 pi r into bracket h plus 2r will be the total surface area. Question number 3. The radius and the height of a solid right circular cylinder are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter respectively. It is melted and molded into 480 uniform spherical balls. Find the radius of each of the balls so formed. Given small r is the radius of the cylinder, h is the height of the cylinder, and capital R is the radius of the sphere. So to find out the volume of the melted cylinder, 480 into the volume of the one spherical ball. Pi r square h is equal to 480 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So pi and pi will get cancelled. And here we are getting r square is equal to 480 into 4 upon 3 r square. Since radius is given 12, 12 square into 15 is equal to 480 into 4 upon 3 r cube. 12 square is 144. 144 into 15 is equal to, after solving this, we are getting 640 into r cube. So 3 ones are 3 and 16 3s are 48. So 160 into 4 is 640. So r cube is equal to 144 into 15 upon 640. So r cube is equal to 27 upon 8. So r is equal to cube root of 27 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 2, or after dividing here we are getting 1.5 centimeter. Therefore the radius of the each ball is 1.5 centimeter. Question number 4. The total surface area of a solid cone is 7536 square centimeter. If its slant height is 5 times the radius of the base, then find the radius of the base. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Let the slant height be L centimeter and the radius of the base be small r centimeters. Then L is equal to 5 into r. Because it is given in the sum, height is 5 times of the radius of the base. Then L is equal to 5 into r. Total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into bracket L plus r. The value of pi is given as 3.14. So 7536 into 3.14 into r into bracket pi r plus 4. So here we are getting 6r square. So 7536 is equal to 3.14 into 6r square. Therefore r square is equal to 7536 upon 3.14 into 6. To make it easy for the cancellations, we multiplied the numerator and denominator by 100. So the value comes to 753,600 upon 18.84 into 100 will become 1884. Therefore r square is equal to 400. So square root of 400 is 20 centimeter. So the radius is 20 centimeter. Therefore the radius of the base is 20 centimeters. Question number 5. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height, same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So first you have to draw the figure. Now the figure we have drawn is like this. This is the groove. Given r is equal to 0.7, since the diameter is 1.4, 1.4 divided by 2 is 0.7. So the radius of the solid is 0.7 centimeter. Total surface area of the solid is equal to total surface area of the cylinder plus lateral surface area of the cone plus area of the base. So pi r into bracket 2h plus L plus r. Substitute the values. 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 2 into 2.4 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. How to find out this? 2.5. Height is 2.4. This is 0.7. Using Pythagoras theorem, we are getting the values 2.5. So 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 8 is equal to 17.6 centimeter square. Now let us find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, that is 2 into pi into 0.7 into 2.4. Here we are not substituting the value of pi. So 3.36 pi centimeter square will be the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. It is pi into 0.7 into L is 2.5. So 1.75 pi centimeter square will be the curved surface area of the cone. Base area is equal to pi r square. So that is area of circle. So pi into 0.7 into 0.7 is equal to 0.49 pi centimeter square. Total surface area of an article is equal to, we have to add all three values we have found out. It is 3.36 plus 1.75 plus 0.49 pi. Now substitute the value of pi equal to 22 upon 7. So after adding we are getting here 5.6 into 22 upon 7 is equal to 17.6 centimeter square. Students, in the exam you have to draw the figures. So read the questions carefully and then you can draw the figures. Sometimes the figures are given, sometimes they are not giving you the figure. You have to draw the figure and then solve the sums. Question number 6. Two cubes, each of volume 64 cm cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Given volume of the cube is equal to 64 cm cube. A cube is equal to 64. A is equal to cube root of 64. That is cube root of 64 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So the cube root of 64 is 4. Here we have drawn the figure like this, where all the sides are equal. Length of the cuboid we are getting 4 plus 4 is 8 cm. Breadth is 4 cm and height is also 4 cm. Therefore, the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. That is 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32 is equal to into 80 is 160 centimeter square. Therefore, the surface area of the resulting cuboid is equal to 160 centimeters. Thanks for watching, students. If you have any queries, write in the comment box.